Okay, welcome back. This video is going to be about warnings and how the DX7 can give you very important and useful warnings when you turn it on. You've probably all heard the warning before that if you see the when you turn it on and the throttle's up a little bit, it'll give you a warning that says throttle high. It's a real good warning. But I also want to have a warning when the flight mode is in the high rate. I don't want to take off with high rates. Low rates and medium rates are probably good for takeoffs. High rates, not such a good idea to take off in high rates. If you're taking off in high rates with this kind of an airplane, you're really doing something strange. So I like to take off on low. Sometimes I use mid rates if the wind's a little gusty and I need a bit more rudder authority or something like that. But so here's what we do. So I'm on the main screen for the right model, obviously, Sonic High Wing. I'm going to go down and go to the bottom and do system setup. You've seen me do this in other videos, and say yes. And I'm going to scroll down to about the middle where it says warnings, just below model utilities and above telemetry, and select that. And this is what the default looks like. Okay, notice it has the gear shows no warning. The warning is when the box is colored dark. Right now you can see all those 5 boxes across there are colored light colored. So I'm going to go down to the flight mode and scroll over to where the number 3 is highlighted. Now notice there's a little indicator down toward the bottom of those 3 boxes, and that just tells me where the switch is. Okay, so it doesn't matter where the switch is. I just want the number 3 box, which is high rates, to be colored. So I'm going to click it once, and now that's colored, and the other 2 are not. You can have other warnings for other servos on different channels and so forth, and that's more than what we need for this airplane. So now I'll demonstrate this. I'll go back to the list, and I'm going to put this button here, the flight mode switch, into the high rate. Okay, and I'm going to hit the back button to go to the main, or just hit the main screen button, go to the main screen, and you'll hear the warning.
Warning, high rates, high rates.
High rates. Okay, so this screen is locked. You can't do anything with your radio until you get rid of that warning. You know how you get rid of the warning is go to medium or low rates.
Mid rates.
So mid rates are low rates. Low rates. It prevents the radio from being used if the flight mode is in high rates. So that's how you set up the warnings. You might find other useful ideas. So far for this airplane, I think that's the only one I plan to use. So that's what warnings are about. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.